Welcome back, my friends. The news today is that Macy's shares have surged 21% after it received a $5.8 billion buyout offer. Arkhouse Management and Brigade Capital Management have offered to buy Macy's Inc. for $5.8 billion, according to people familiar with the matter. The offer values the retailer at $21 per share, compared to the company's most recent close at just over $17 per share. Macy's sales have slumped over the past year as the legacy retailer struggles to keep up with online competitors. But before we get into all of that, please hit the like button and leave us a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. And before we continue, a word from the sponsor of this video. Today's sponsor is ProWorldNet.com. ProWorldNet.com is a job website specifically dedicated to licensed professions. Doctors, including any type of specialty. Nurses, and that includes all grades of nurses. Lawyers, regardless of area of legal focus. Teachers and professors, from kindergarten through graduate school, as well as any kind of job that requires a government license or certification. And ProWorldNet.com also includes short-term gig-type jobs as well. So be sure to check out ProWorldNet.com if you are looking for a job or an employee. Arkhouse Management and Brigade Capital Management have offered to buy Macy's for $5.8 billion. People familiar with the matter told CNBC on Sunday. The offer values the retailer at $21 per share, according to the sources. Macy's closed at just over $17 a share on Friday, down roughly 17% since the start of the year. The company's shares closed nearly 20% higher on Monday. Arkhouse, a firm that primarily targets real estate investment, and Brigade Capital, an asset management firm, would be willing to offer a higher bid based on due diligence, the sources said. The group would already be paying a premium for the department store, which has struggled to keep up with online competitors. Macy's has made several efforts to draw customers back to its brick-and-mortar chains. In October, it announced 30 new store locations at strip malls as it tried to pivot away from the traditional shopping mall. Despite the turnaround efforts, Macy's sales have slumped, declining 7% year-over-year in the third quarter. The retailer expressed optimism after its most recent quarter beat Wall Street's expectations. By the numbers, that performance improvement was driven mostly by sales at brands that Macy's owns, like Bloomingdale's and Bluemercury, not the namesake Macy's chain. Macy's has become an acquisition target as it grapples with sagging sales and competition, not just from online upstarts but also from brands that would rather sell their products directly to consumers than wholesale through a department store. Kohl's faced a similar takeover bid in 2022 when it received multiple acquisition offers that it said undervalued its business. Retailers across the board have faced headwinds this year as volatile interest rates and high inflation weigh on consumers' wallets. However, consumer spending has proven particularly resilient in the online shopping sector. Consumer spending was robust online during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, but it's still unclear how strong the holiday season will be after numerous retailers issued cautious fourth-quarter outlooks. Macy's, like many other department stores, has been affected by the retail apocalypse. However, it has been able to survive the challenges and is still in business today. In fact, Macy's has been able to figure out a formula to survive the retail apocalypse. While the company has faced declining earnings and weak guidance, it has also shown positive comparable sales in recent quarters. According to an analysis by Cowen, Macy's real estate is estimated to be worth $16 billion. This value is more than the company's market value of $6.4 billion. However, it is important to note that the value of Macy's real estate is a matter of debate, and there are varying estimates of its worth. But what do you think? Please hit the like button and leave us a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. Please share this video on social media. Thank you for watching.